Today we are looking at a completely rebuilt Carter Day disc mill. This unit has been completely rebuilt and is ready to go back to work. The style number is an ADR2. See the serial tag there. We took this unit completely apart, installed all new discs in it. We can open up the door here. We can see down inside of the unit. As I said before, we installed all new discs in it. We set this unit up to separate vetch from wheat. This unit is powered by a 3 horsepower, 3-phase electric motor. Before we fire it up, we're just going to do a walk around of it. As I said before, we completely rebuilt this unit. Has all new bearings, all new drive belts. The electric motor was rebuilt by a motor technician. This unit is in like new condition. We'll open up this door here so you can see inside of the unit from the other side. The brand new discs have the green primer on them. You can see that they're brand new. This is just a very nice, clean unit. As I said before, this unit was completely rebuilt and is in like new condition. We are going to fire the unit up for you now. All right, here you can see the unit running. I've left this door open so you can see the discs running around in there. You can see that shaft turning there as well. This unit hums right along. There is no irregular noises, no rubbing. Runs nice and smooth, nice and quiet. Just hums right along. See the shafts turning here. Open up this door, let you see down inside of the unit. This unit is very nice and clean. Close that back up there. It's just an all-around nice unit, completely rebuilt and ready to go back to work for a long time. Thank you for watching.